Hello everyone. Now today we will be doing with the question answers of the chapter that is already explained, and we had done the word meanings also. I hope everything is clear. If it is not, again write down in the comment section. Now as I always tell you to do many things while doing these question answers. First you have to understand the chapter very clearly, then only you will be able to do. You have to do the short notes, you have to make questions by yourself, answer them by yourself. So in the same way also I am doing each and every chapter. You can understand that for the first chapter I had done, now again I am doing in the same way. I have written the extra questions. It can be from the textbook, but I have not copied them same to same as it is from the textbook exercise. Now here what you have to do, as I told you in the last video, in the same way you have to write down each and everything in the comment section. Second thing, while watching this video you have to take a paper and pen and then just write down the answers. When I am explaining you the answers over here, at the same time when I have asked you who all were living like this, I am speaking the question. At the same time what you can do, you can write the answer in your notebook or rough book, wherever you want to, so that you can see it. It is a kind of test you can do at the same time when I will answer, so you will be able to know whether you are correct or not, whether you understand the chapter or not. So it's another way to learn those question answers by watching the video. Now let's start from here. First question is, who all were living on a tall tree and where? Again we have two questions over here, so you will answer in two different lines or you can answer them in one line, but there should be a proper sentence. Now let's start. Who all were living on a tall tree? Now as always I tell you, it's a question of who, so you will write, rather than who you will write the name or you will write persons who were there. So we will write over here that a mama bird, or you can write a big bird with two small birds were there. You will not write all with it, you will write were living on a tall tree, full stop, that's it. Then where? Now where you will get confused maybe that already they have written tall tree, then why where is written? Where means the place. So here after full stop you will write this tall tree, or this tall tree is there in the forest, or you can write they were living on a tall tree which was there in the forest. So like this you can answer this question. Next is, what happened to the tree and the birds? So what happened? Again two answers are there. Now this cannot be combined by, because they have asked you about a tree and the birds. There are two different characters. So here you will write them separately in two different sentences. What happened to the tree? First we will answer that. So here we will write the tree got fallen down because of the storm, full stop. And then what happened to the birds? Then you will write after that, big bird got died and the two small birds went into different direction because of the storm. So like this you will answer it. Next is, where the two birds went. So where they went, the two birds, you will write from the question, the two birds went to two different directions. Again if it is of more marks, you can write that one went in the near the cave and the another went near the hut. Next, why the languages of two birds were different. Now here I have explained you while explaining the story that why the languages were different. The languages of the two birds were different because they were living with different persons. They were living with two different areas. Again you will write, if it is of more marks you can write more sentences. That first bird is living with the robbers and the robbers' languages are different, they are rude. And the second bird was living with the saint and that language is very soft. Next is, who came in the forest one day. So you will write again who came, so you will write the king came in the forest one day. Next question, what happened with the king at the first place? First place means when he went to the first bird. At that time what happened? So you will write that the The king got tired and he sat under the tree, and the first bird called the robbers that come fast and just take all his things. So this happened at the first place with the king. Like this you will write the answer. Next, why the king was shocked? So why the king was shocked? He was shocked because you can write from the question also the king was shocked or he was shocked. Both are correct. So here the king was shocked because he had seen the two similar birds but they are having two different languages. Next, what saint had told him? To whom? To the king. So the saint had told him that, or him, or to the king also you can write. Saint had told him that whenever we are living with the persons, according to that our languages will become, according to that our thoughts get made. So that things you can write in this answer. And what is the moral of the story? This I have told you while explaining the chapter. The moral of the story is we have to stay, we have to be, or we have to live with those persons who are good in behavior, who understand the feelings of others, who are there for everyone, who respect the elders, who respect everyone, who help others. So in the same way you can write anything, whatever you want, but according to the story what you have learned. So here I finish with all these things. I hope everything again is clear. Each and every time again I am repeating, any doubts are there you can tell us, any queries are there you can tell us, just write down always in the comment section. Just like and comment always, share the videos more and more, subscribe always, and thank you for watching always all the videos. Thank you for supporting me. You can also go to my Instagram channel, it is there in the description. You can also subscribe or follow the channel that is on Facebook, it is also there in the description. If you want to purchase the videos of any of these chapters, you can move to the description and over there is a link. You can go to that link and purchase it anytime. It is not that much costly and you will get discounted prices also if you will go from my link. So that's it for all. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone.